Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code in Clash Royale to quickly add friends. The process is simple, fast, and only takes a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Clash Royale app on your device and wait for the game to load completely. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Friends icon. This will open the Friends menu, where you can manage your friend list and connect with new players. Next, tap on the Add Friend option. Here, you'll see your own personal QR code that you can share with other players. Just below your QR code, you'll also find the Scan option. Tap on Scan, and if prompted, allow the game to access your device's camera. Now, point your camera at your friend's Clash Royale QR code and keep it steady for a second. The game will automatically recognize the QR code and display your friend's profile. Simply send the friend request, and once it's accepted, you'll be able to play together, challenge each other, and enjoy the game with your friends. Using the QR code scanner is one of the fastest and easiest ways to add friends because you don't need to type or copy a player tag manually. That's it. You now know how to scan a QR code in Clash Royale and connect with friends in just a few simple steps. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Game features and menus may change with future updates, so please check the latest version if your screen looks different. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Clash Royale tips, tutorials, and gaming content. See you in the next video.